I've always lived here, and I've always been through hurricanes. And the previous ones, we used to have a hurricane. Hurricanes came and went. But of course, just like this one, it came and it stayed. Weather has gotten different. It's really different, and they're more intense than what they ever have been. So it's just really a difference. So, you know. Well, I was very fortunate. I didn't get a lot of damage like a lot of my friends did. They came back and it was terrible. But most of my damage was done underneath from the water flooding underneath. That's where most of my damage took place. You know, just looking, it didn't seem bad, but it was. I called FEMA, called my insurance company, of course, first. And then I called FEMA, and you know, I applied online. I went online and applied. And FEMA had a list of organizations. They had a paper with organizations listed on it that would help you. Because as a matter of fact, I weren't going to apply for the STEP program at first. I really weren't. I had said, well, you know, be truthful. I had said, well, they're not going to help me. That's what I had said. And my friend said, apply. And I said, okay, I am going to apply. You can only get a yes or a no, right? And I'm so glad that I did. As a matter of fact, I'm glad that I called a couple of other people and told them to apply because they really needed the help and they got the help. So I never knew about this program before, but I'm so glad that I did. I'm going to tell you, my experience with the STEP program has been great. I mean, if I had to rate it from 1 to 10, I would give it a 10. It really has. It's been a great experience, and I, you know, really appreciate it. I really do. Really have helped.